YouTube. Today we're gonna be painting my front bumper with some Rust-Oleum paint, and also my side skirts and the grill. I still haven't painted the valve cover, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna paint it today since it's a really nice day today. And lately it's been raining and cold, and today is actually really sunny, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna fix my little grill. There's a crack right here. Some incident that happened. That's why I don't have a lip either. There's the remainder of my lip. So I'm gonna have to order a new one. But yeah, I'm gonna paint this. Paint the side skirts with some cheap Rust-Oleum paint. See how that comes out. Paint the valve cover. And I might restore these headlights, because you can see it's getting all this like weird cross, what is it called, crow effect. I'm not sure, but the clear is getting messed up, so I'm gonna try to restore these today too. So yeah, first off I'm gonna have to take off this plasti dip. This is plasti dip on this. It's not actual paint on both. I regret doing this, but you know, I gotta take it off now. So yeah, be back with that. Okay, so this is for sure why they say if you're gonna do plasti dip to do it right, because this is so annoying taking it off. I tried using this scraper, that plastic scraper. I let it soak with some WD-40, and like it's just been annoying. And I even hit it with some like sandpaper, but it didn't really work. But I found out that if you use like a eraser and just rub it, it kind of comes out easily. It's easier than just using your hands. So I'm gonna do this method right now. I'm about to just basically erase all this plastic dip off. It might take some time, but it's better than just using this and creating that not really working. But I almost have this one done, so I'll let you guys see the end product. After like 30 minutes of rubbing and scraping and just trying to take this off, I think I got this one pretty good. I'm pretty sure there's still plastic dip right here. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna just go on with the next one. Guys do not understand. At this point, I've just quit it, and I'm gonna use a wheel brush. After a very long time of working with these side skirts, I think we got all the plasti dip off. I'm just letting them dry right now on the sun. So now, oh wait, you see, there's still plasti dip right there. Well, it just rubs off, so I guess it's okay. Anyways, let that dry, and we're gonna start prepping the bumper, and the side skirts, and this grill. Hit it with some 500 grit paper, sandpaper. What I got right here, I don't have a sanding block, so I think I'm gonna use a sponge. You know, I'm not a paint shop or anything like that, so I'm just doing this at home. So I'll get started on doing that. Just got done sanding down everything with some 400 or 500 grit, can't remember, but it's pretty smooth. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is good enough to paint on. I'm not a body specialist, like I'm saying. This is gonna be like a chip alternative to paint. Got this all sanded down. Got the bumper sanded down too. Think it's gonna come out nice. Now I'm gonna just spray it down with some water from the pressure washer, and that's it. And then after that, clean it with some brake cleaner. Now I'm gonna just tape up the areas I don't want paint on, like right there, the front bumper, and right here in the hood, and I mean the grill. I don't want this white, I want it black. So be right back when I do that. Everything is messed up. Well, the pieces that I don't want tape on, like the grill and the front bumper. I'm about to go clean it all with brake cleaner. just wipe down everything with some alcohol, just to make sure there's no grease or oil on the bumper. And then we also wipe down the grill. And yeah, I think we're ready to lay down the first coat of primer. Use the first coat of primer. I try to do it light as possible. I'm not good at painting, to be honest, but I'm just trying my best. And this was the first coat of primer. It's self-etching primer, that's what I bought. I think it's looking pretty good, to be honest. I'm just gonna let it dry another 5 minutes, and then I'll give it the second coat. And then I'm pretty sure after that I can go with the first coat of white. I laid down the second coat of primer already. Came out pretty good, to be honest. It's just primer, so I'm guessing the base coat is gonna look good as well. Everything is coming out nicely. Like I said, I'm not a pro. I don't paint. I don't get paid to paint, so this might come out ugly, and which I don't care. At least my car will be one color. So yeah, I might have to wet sand this after the paint. So this is after the third coat. From far away, I think you can see some lines. I think that's a black spot. I don't know. I might hit that with the can again, because I can see some lines. But it's looking really good, to be honest. It's looking really shiny, really glossy, and I still have some gloss. So I think it's gonna come out looking really good. The grill looks good too, nice and shiny. The only part that came out really bad was right here. You can see that run. It's a huge run. Yeah, that's gonna be really bad. Yep, man. It's okay though. Like I said, I'm not a pro, so for my first time painting, especially with rattle cans, I think it came out really good. Well, I hope it comes out really good after it dries. Yeah, so I'm gonna hit it with this gloss now and hit that spot right there. I got the coat of clear on. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do more than one, just do one. But it looks really shiny already. So I think I'm gonna just do one. Looks nice. And then here's the side skirts. Yeah, not bad for Rattle Can Paint. I'm just gonna let this dry off. And tomorrow, most likely I'm gonna put it on tomorrow. There's that big run right there. And then there's another one. There's another one around here. Can't see it on camera though. I know there's a couple here. Ooh, that's bad. Yeah, that is really bad. Well, like I said, I wasn't going for something perfect, but I just rushed, to be honest. So that's what came out. And it doesn't look bad at all. I think maybe maybe I could get those runs out. Not sure though, because that was actually the white paint, not the clear. But hopefully it just looks good. Then I'm gonna just order a new lip, paint the lip, and I'll be set. Well, I just got done wet sanding the side skirts and the front bumper, and it's pretty smooth. On camera you cannot see the difference in color, but in person this color is almost the same, but it really isn't. It's more white than the other color, and I hope after the polish it really shines just like the rest of the car. So I'm about to wash it and then polish it, or where I hit the sandpaper. I'm gonna do that right now. I just washed the car and I dried it. It's looking like really dull. It's not shiny at all. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see on the camera. It's not shiny. I also sanded down my headlights, so I'm gonna polish those, the side skirts, and I'm on really low battery, so this is basically the before. After. Here's the after. You know, it didn't really come out as shiny as the rest of the paint, and I'm pretty sure that's because of the clear I used. But I mean, this is temporary, and this is Rattle Can, so I guess this is fine for right now. Need to clean up the grill, get some black paint, and for like just give better lines right there. But I mean, it looks good. It looks really decent. I think for IA it's gonna pass, and then after IA, I don't know if I'm gonna wrap this car or just take it to a body shop and let them take care of it and do all the dents and everything and just get a new color, which I don't know what it would be. But thanks for watching. I think this is a pretty good difference or change in the car. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated in the lip. I'll order it soon and buy some of this same paint, paint it and put it on, hopefully before IA. So yeah, just stay tuned. Thanks for watching.